Our topic for today is about the actual wiring connections of 4 bulbs connected in parallel and controlled by 2 3-way switch and 2 4-way switch with convenience outlet. Part 1. And this is the arrangement of lights, boxes, switches, conduits, and other devices. And without further ado, let's get started. And that's it. This is the complete actual wiring diagram of 4 bulbs connected in parallel and controlled by 2 3-way switch and 2 4-way switch with convenience outlet.